to make some crock pot Lil SMOKIES and some Italian style meatballs, sweet baby rays, barbecue and grape jelly, meatballs, and Lil SMOKIES. Basic, simple, and we're gonna put this in the crock pot. So if you have never made this before, I'm about to show you how to do this. This is the barbecue sauce that I will be using. I will be using this Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. And the jar ounces is right here, 18 ounces for this bottle. We just used a little bit out of it, so I didn't have to go and buy a new bottle to make these Sweet Baby Ray's. Some people call them baby shower meatballs and the Lil SMOKIES, okay? This is the grape jelly that I'm using. I'm using Welch's Concord grape jelly. The last time I made the barbecue meatballs, I used this Welch's grape jelly and it tasted good. Now, if you already got some barbecue sauce, use whatever barbecue sauce you got. But this grape jelly is $1 at the Dollar Tree, and it's it's the squeezable bottle, okay? And I'm gonna end up using about right here. You see where the sign say jelly? That's just about it for the amount of jelly that I will be using. I feel like I need more barbecue sauce once I get everything in there, but I don't think I will. I'm gonna add this. I had another barbecue sauce in my cabinet, but I'm really trying to save these for my ribs I'm gonna cook. Okay, so let's get started. So into your crock pot, I'm gonna add this jelly first, the grape jelly. Okay, now into my crock pot, I'm gonna add in my barbecue sauce. And I'm adding the whole bottle of barbecue sauce, y'all. Now I'm gonna add in these meatballs. These are Italian style meatballs. I had some left, so why not go ahead and use them? So that's why I'm putting them in the pot with the Lil SMOKIES. So now I'm gonna add in my whole pack of Hillshire's beef. I got the beef Lil SMOKIES, y'all, okay? So I'm just gonna mix them up like so. Get the sauce all over them. And we're gonna cook this in our crock pot. I'm gonna cook mine between 3 and 4 hours. And they'll be ready, so. Gotta mix this together real good, y'all. But once everything melts, it's gonna cover the top of these meatballs and these Lil SMOKIES. So if you having a party this weekend for New Year, this is a great recipe. I advise you to go ahead and make it. It's cheap, it's affordable, and it's simple and easy. So put the lid on your crock pot. Okay, so I'm gonna put mine on high. And it's already on 4 hours. Like I said, I want it to go about 3 to 4 hours because I got something to do. And I'm just gonna hit start. And I'll be back in 4 hours. Okay, y'all? Okay, everybody, so these are my barbecue meatballs in the, with the grape jelly and my Lil SMOKIES that I cooked in the crock pot. They are done and ready to eat. And remember, I put mine on for 4 hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make you some delicious, ooh, that sting, barbecue meatballs with the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. I use the sweet and spicy and the Lil SMOKIES recipe. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Everyone, stay tuned to my channel for another great video. Peace and have a beautiful day.